church? What is the election of a woman bishop? You have Nani Lava, whose long leadership of radiance as a prophet with God's power has brought faith and teaching that awakened the Fifu Hazana. With the ministry of the Mpiandri, the lay shepherds who are God's hands and God's mouth, serving with daily healing and preaching to the lost, to the wounded, to the lonely, to the forgotten, and to the mentally ill. And you know what is actually strangest, Olivier? This detail about you. You come formed in the humility of a church that regularly calls the assembly to be exorcised in a rite of healing that each of us who can so easily slip into ruin is called out of the desecration of our own houses, called out of our ungodly spirits and addictions. This is not some secret thing. This is a way of life, returning ourselves to God in the assembly. Actually, Olivier, you come to the ELCIC as our older brother. Your church in Betafu marked its 158th year of witness as a denomination, and we have a couple of decades. Your seminary has been training catechists, evangelists, Mpiandri, and pastors and deacons for over 120 years, not 100. God sends you to this nation, to this church, Olivier, with a mouth full of teachings to report to us what God has been already doing on the other side of the world. From the land of the Southern Cross in the night sky, colonized by extractive corporations from China to Canada, you come here to the land of the Northern Lights and the Big Dipper, to the end of the Underground Railroad in a continent that has been scarred by slavery and colonization and the alienation of residential memories that are so fresh for exorcism. God is sending you to keep an appointment with us because we need the good news. With utmost patience, convince, correct, encourage, and teach us what you know. For all of our allergic fears and itchy ears need this honey.